Guys, today we're making some chocolate tea, and the ingredients that we have here is chocolate, sugar, nutmeg, coconut milk, condensed milk, salt. We have some cinnamon leaf and cinnamon stick. So let's get right into it. On this side we have some water boiling, and I'm going to add some cinnamon leaf, the cinnamon stick. I'm going to go in with some salt. We're going to leave this on low heat and then we'll come back. I'm going to grate the chocolate. People claim to say, I don't know if it's true or false, that when you grate the chocolate, it releases the oil or a particular oil that makes the tea nice, instead of just dropping it in the water and allow it to melt. I don't know if it's lie, I don't know if it's true. The same thing they say about coconut. But we young people now, we're lazy, I guess. So you know, I get to sit down and do this all day. So we always find a easier way. And the easiest way is to just drop it in the water and just allow it to dissolve. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead, turn off the camera and come back. May I tell you, this give me a nice run for my money. Yeah, but it was good workout. So when we do something like this, I use it as a motivation. I say, you know, let's do some arm workout, and then this will come in much better. So just look at it as doing some exercise. Okay, God is good. We have a arm to use. You see. So there we have it. So this is the chocolate. Now that the water over here boiling, we're going to add our chocolate to the pot. So we're going and mix that around. I want to keep this on low heat. So I'm only using one chocolate because I'm only making a small pot of tea. Now we're going to add coconut milk. I'm going to add it to 1 cup of warm water. The warm water allow it to dissolve easier. So that's why I'm using. And this depends on how milky you like your milk. So you can use the entire pack. You can also use half pack. This is the entire pack that I'm using because we want it rich. And full of flavor. And guys, if you have the original coconut milk, that would be great. I have some, but I have to save it for my rice and peas. So I'm using this. So this is rich and nice. Now let's go in. Alright, so it's a bubble. So I don't know if you can see it, but look if you see the oil on the top, because that them say when you grate it, you definitely gonna see the oil. So now we're gonna go in. We're going in with our coconut milk. We're just gonna whisk this in. So I allow this to cook for a couple minutes before we go in with our spices. Now we're gonna grate some nutmeg. And depends on how much nutmeg you like. Some people like a lot. Some people just want it to have a little taste, and that's okay. So depending on how much you like, that's the amount you use. So this is about half, so I'm going to use half only because I'm making a small pot of tea. So this should be great for me. It smells nice. So this is what I'm working with. You see the aisle? So I guess when you grate it, you see the aisle for real, because honestly, when I just drop it in, I don't see none of that. Not saying it make it taste better, but I'm just telling you guys the truth. And now I'm going to add the nutmeg and just combine that. I'm also going to use my spatula just to remove the chocolate from around the edge of the pot. I'm still going to allow this to boil for another minute or two and then come back. Alright, so let's go in. Let's see what I got. Now we're going to go in and add some vanilla to the pot. We're going to go in with our condensed milk. And then we have a spoon of brown sugar. So let's go in and combine the ingredients. And then we want to combine that well. Make sure all of the milk and all of that mix out. And now we're going to taste it. Whoa, wait. This is so good. So guys, thanks for watching and have a peaceful weekend.